Not long ago, Abby and I featured this little truck on the channel, and we liked its performance so much, we wanted to pick up a second one. It's awesome. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's asleep for the night. Popeye is out, relieving himself for the TheRcSaylors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're going to have some inside fun, kind of a Plan B RC day. Not long ago we drove this little guy outside and just had a blast with it, so much so that we decided to pick up a second one. This is really the same chassis, just a different body, and it's significantly different. They very much look different. They're not just different colors, but they come in around the same price point. You'll notice some obvious differences with these two vehicles. Mine, over here, I guess it's mine, could be yours, I don't care. Notice how I did that? Has headlights and actually taillights and a rear tire on there. Believe it or not, mine came this way. Abby's just showed up, and it showed up like this.
How is this mine?
Why, because it's blue.
You wanted the blue one.
It did, however, come with the spare tire. We just wanted to leave that off to show you guys that for whatever reason this one came like that, maybe shipping or something. And then it also came with the bumpers and headlights, just not installed. Will be a very easy installation, but we wanted to show you guys, hey, this one comes like this, and this one came completely assembled with the lights and everything. So Abby, while I was getting this ready for the video, put together a baby crawler course in every aspect of the word. I don't know what we have to do here, but I'm going to follow her guidance, and we're each going to take turns with our little trucks and just have some fun. This is what we do when the kiddo goes to sleep. This is our inside RC fun, and unfortunately, as much as we don't want to admit it, winter is coming, and this kind of thing is just perfect for rainy or cold weather days. So we're gonna have some RC fun inside, and I think you should go first, I guess, because you made the course.
All right.
And you're a lady. Ladies first. Okay, Abby is first. Let's see the course.
First, on the Hyperdrive RC Crawler Mini Championship, you must go under the Walker of Doom.
The Walker of Doom!
And through the Jingle Jangle of Doom.
The Jingle Jangle of Doom! Hang on, hit it again, hit it again. Hit it!
You gotta slow motion this stuff, Nathan.
Jingle, 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 jingle. All right, awesome. This is our mini indoor hyperdrive course. That's so awesome. Okay, this is really slick plastic. I'll be surprised if it can make it up that. I mean, it's too big of a lip. It can't even get up on there. Look.
Okay, hold on. We can fix this.
No, this will work. Here, do that. There you go. Okay.
Course stand.
Okay, course has been fixed, just like on Hyperdrive where they had to fix the, oh no! You remember when the water hit the car? Oh, you made it! Wow! Do you remember when they shot the water out with that woman's car and it busted her windshield?
I think her name is Corinna.
Yeah, you're allowed to alter the course. Oh my gosh!
Okay,
oh!
take it.
The dinosaur butt of doom! Dinosaur butt of...
You have to go over its face a little bit.
Of doom!
No! I think I need to add something down here at the bottom.
That seems like a t-shirt for sure. Dinosaur butt of doom!
Let's put another monkey down there. Okay, let's try it now.
Poor Amelia. She has no idea the fun we're having. Okay, last time, dinosaur butt of doom!
Oh,
we did it!
Okay, now you gotta just...
Hang on. Go past the crazy bebop lady! Da 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 da! Monetization lady.
Alright, now you gotta knock the castle over.
Oh, okay, wow. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, Amelia would have loved that. Okay, people ought to like this one. Here we go.
Just even...
Oh, you can't fit under it? I say you can go around it. Go around the plane of doom! Nicely done, nicely done. And in front of the blades of doom! Oh my gosh, you did it. Okay, now what? Oh, I know. Okay, now you gotta go in front of The spinning car of doom!
Well, the original idea was we had to knock this down.
Oh, I don't know if we can. Maybe teamwork.
Oh no, I got stuck.
That's okay. And how does this thing end?
You gotta go over the unicorn.
Oh, that might be rough because there's not a lot of clearance. We may have to make some modifications to the course. The unicorn. Oh, you did it! Wow. The sky. Oh, there's no. It's like a wedge in here. So we need to make like a little bridge on top of the unicorn from one surface to the other. What do we have? What do we have? Blocks. Get the blocks. All right, we're back. And can you make it through the unicorn? Oh no, the blocks are moving.
Lighter, because it's really hard to line it up.
Another modification to the course. Which is half the fun, honestly. There you go. You made it. You made it. Nice. See, these are so awesome. These crawlers just. Oh no. Well, you made it through the course of doom. Now it's my turn.
You're gonna do it again, or should I do it again and do better?
I get to go. I get to go.
All right. Dog. Truck.
Fancy editing. Fancy video there, baby.
Thanks.
Okay, here we go. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Jingle, jingle, jingle.
Yes. You must go through it 3 times.
Hey, it sounds good. I like it. This is cool. I love crawlers and to have a little
For
indoor
baby
crawler
toys.
course. Yeah.
This is pretty good.
Okay, I think you did this with some speed.
It's a little challenging, isn't it?
Oh no!
Oh, you flipped.
Yeah, no. Let's do like this. Okay. Come on, I can't get stuck here. You just like climbed right up this.
I did. There you go. Oh, no! Use some of these.
Oh.
Okay, you're gonna need. Your truck's gonna need some traction up here.
Yeah.
Try something like that. Take 500. Oh, you have to add the rattle.
Oh my gosh. I have no traction. I'm sorry, Amelia. I'm like leaving tire marks on your toys. We'll take the winch. There we go. Yeah, so -1 for me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you know why you couldn't make that up? Because the piano shifted.
Oh, I see.
I had it more like that.
Yeah, maybe.
That's why you couldn't do it.
I think you made this course in your favor.
No, I did not.
There we go, there we go.
Ding, 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 ding.
And then do we push this car?
Okay, that works.
Okay.
You're supposed to get around it.
And kaboom! I'm gonna knock it down on your. Oh my gosh, really? Okay, I think I like your truck better.
Just busted the windshield. All right, you gotta go around the plane. You must stop the propellers.
Oh, okay. No, no.
Good job.
And through the unicorn.
Oh man, your truck is not as good as mine.
I guess not.
I feel like it is a little tail heavy. It needs some weight in the front.
There
you go. Nice.
Yeah, victory lap. Burn out, burn out, burn
That's so
out,
awesome.
burn out. Oops, I think one of my lights is burnt out.
Is it?
Something's
Where?
going on in the back. Oh, it's just falling out.
Yeah, it fell
just need a
out.
little hot glue.
I'm excited to put the lights in this one. They're gonna look awesome.
Yeah.
Looks like you're gonna have to cut out, or I'm gonna have to cut out.
It comes with the bumpers, just like mine.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. I see. All right, all
They
right.
are in here.
Nice.
Bumpers, lights, zip ties, they give you everything.
Cool. Okay.
And then you've got the tire.
I love these things. We're gonna have these for a long, long time.
They are, they're blast inside, and they're surprisingly very affordable. These are like the cheapest ready-to-run crawlers ever. The tires are actually really soft, and they're fun. They are very fun. Scale looking and everything. Awesome. We'll have them linked in the description box below, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.